So this is the sundial kit. In this kit you get one sundial card and one strips to attach this card. So you can observe in this sundial kit, here is the yellow semicircle which divided into the 12 parts, equally divided in 15 degrees. So the method of this sundial card making is, in this strip, on this strip you get this red colored double sided tape. You need to peel out the red cover only from this red two sided tape. Like this, and then you need to bend it in the 90 degrees like this. The white side of the strip is bent like this, so you get the black side is top and the white side is bottom where the tape is attached. Now you have to attach this strip on the card exactly along this arrow by keeping the point or this point of the strip towards the arrow side or the north side, like this, and make sure your edge of the strip is aligned to this arrow, like this. So here we attach this strip to the card at the very center of the arrow, like this. Now your sundial is ready. Now how to use it? So to use this sundial, first you have to know the north side of your location. So find out the north side of location by just observing the sun position or the sun movement in the daytime, or you can find the north star by using the Ursa Major or Cassiopeia and just find the north direction. Once you found the north direction, then what you need to do, you need to keep this sundial horizontally, hold it horizontally, complete horizontal position, and point this arrow towards your north direction, like this. Okay, and when you hold it in the sunlight like this towards the north direction, this strip actually casts the shadow on this yellow part or the yellow semicircle, and where it casts the shadow, you can guess or you can predict the time exactly and that particular moment of the day. So this is the use of the sundial. So many times your timing zone is changed, so you have to add 1 hour daytime adjustment in this reading. So it depends on your location of observation. So particularly this sundial is horizontal sundial because we need to keep it horizontal and it actually casts the shadow on this marking. So this is the use and this is the making of this sundial. Thank you.